Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of trading, prop farms. This is Juice and I've tested mint. I don't know which other products are there, but we do sell juice also, but it is a very good type of juice actually. Anyway, that was just a by the way, but in this video I wanted to address the elephant in the room. We've seen a bunch of prop farms, like millions of thousands, not millions. A lot of prop farms are coming out with a model which is pass the challenge and pay later. That is a very risky model, but I wanted to address it in this video, especially according to my knowledge that I know. They give you an account at a fee, maybe $5. Then later on you pay for it when you pass it. It sounds really very good and appealing. Actually, I'm also attracted to that because if you know, most of the time we traders do not have money, all funds to do what? To trade these accounts. We don't have money for 100K accounts with FTMO. We don't have money for, for these challenges, and they are expensive. But, they have come out with a pass and pay later. Someone who is rigid, like I am old school, I don't want to change, I'm like two-step, I'm starting to think, what if this can really work? You pass a challenge and pay later. Because these exams are just like, it is a probability of you passing or not. It's not assured, right? But there are some things that you can do to increase the probability of passing a challenge. So I'm starting to think, what if this is a good way out? Because even in life, someone might need a loan to do what? To do a business. This is the way I'm taking it. It is sort of a loan that you'll pay back later on, right? And that is the mindset that I'm looking at. Pass and then pay later when you get funded. It is very attractive. So what we are going to do in this video, we are going to try and go and do some research. Let us see which prop farms are offering it, because I've seen Got Funded. It was offering it, but I've never got an opportunity to do what? To trade it with Got Funded. So I'm very, very attracted to do what? To see if I can, get this account. But let us go and do some research and see where we can get that type of challenge where you pay $5 and pass the phase, then you pay later as you are getting funded. It is very attractive actually. And we are going to discuss what we think. But thank you very much for watching. Stick around. Let us jump onto our dashboard and see what pay later challenge has to offer. What we are going to do, we are going to jump onto our friend ChatGPT, because I used to ask ChatGPT a lot of questions. I'm going to ask ChatGPT what he thinks of the pay later challenge and what prop farms offer the pay later challenge. So the question is, what do you think of the pay later challenge and what prop farms offer it, so that I can look at them? Simple. Let's see what ChatGPT is answering. ChatGPT even knows my name. So it says, Joe, I actually like the pay later challenge model, but only for a certain type of trader. That is important. Only for a certain type of what? Trader. Why I like it? If you're consistently profitable, but don't want to risk 100 to 500 every time you buy a challenge, it makes sense because you risk very little upfront, sometimes as little as 0 to 10. If you fail, you've lost almost nothing. You only pay the full activation fee after you've proved you can pass. For someone creating content, it's also a great way to make a series like, can I pass 100K challenge without paying for it? Okay, man, let me not give you that source. That is for me. The downside. So it also has downsides. There are a few catches. The activation fee after passing can be much higher than a normal challenge fee, which is understandable because you're paying after passing, right? Some farms have stricter payout rules on these accounts. Not every pay later farm has a long track record of paying traders, so you need to choose carefully. Alrighty, let us see. Prop farms currently offering pay later pay later after you pass. So based on current information, these are some of the main names: Atlas funded, 0 all 1 entry options, pay the full fee after passing, probably the most well-known pay later model. FTMO, no, FTMO, ChatGPT is lying. FTMO doesn't offer the pay later. Some pay after pass options have been reported in certain regions of promotions. Oh, check current availability before signing up. Now, FTMO can't pay those, can't do what. Then they have the funded trader, has periodically offered pay after pass programs. My funded FX has offered different payment models. Okay. Community discussions also mentioned firms like FT UK and Atmos Funded, offering low-cost entry with large activation fees after passing. Okay, this is for my business. Knowing your goals, I think this could fit your content strategy. Okay. Okay, I also saw Maven. Let me tell ChatGPT, I saw Maven Trading. Okay, I'm the one telling ChatGPT what to do, because I saw Maven Trading, they have a pay later for 5. Got Funded has a pay later for 5. So for someone in your position as both a trader and a YouTube, I actually think this creates a content opportunity. All right, ChatGPT. But let us go ahead and go to Maven, because it is the website I looked at, and we are going to see this pay later. What does it have special for traders? This is the gold chart, but we are not here to trade gold right now. But, oh, this is a very good, time to trade. But anyway, let us go and look for Maven and see what the... So this is Maven, and I'm going to look at... This is their website. It is okay. I'll do a full review about it later on. But right now, we are just looking at the buy now, pay later. That is what we are interested in. So if you are purchasing the buy now, pay later, so they have even a 2K, bro. Who does a 2K, man? Like, what the heck? So profit target is 4%. Daily drawdown, none. Maximum drawdown, 10%. Wow. But okay, they change. Trailing loss, when you're funded, the trailing, it trails you. Minimum trading days, none. Leverage, 75. Profit split, 80%. Consistency score is 20% when you're funded. Instant withdrawal, yes. News trading allowed. How much is it after you? Oh, it is $5. But after you pass, you pay $40. Okay. Now that I'm interested in a 50K account, let us see. It is $5. Ooh, 360 almost. That is, a lot. Actually, it is a lot, but not too much. It's not too much. So if a 10K, let us see a 10K. $5 and 117. It is worth it, bro. Pay later is worth it. And let me see if Got Funded actually also has it. Let me see if Got Funded has it. Guys, if you want to trade, the links are down in my description. You can join these prop farms using my links so that you support the channel. Yeah, we support each other, man. We are traders. We have to support each other. Come watch the videos, go to my live streams, and maybe come and sign up for my mentorship, which is really, really good. Okay. So we are looking for the pay later challenge for Got Funded. What I'm seeing is 1 step. Okay, I see the 1 step. Got 2 step. Standard got. This is the 2 step, 3 step. Wait, the two-step is standard $215. 215, okay. Three-step, instant. Where is the pay later? I wanted to see where the pay later is, but I don't think Got Funded has it. Then I think, is it Atlas Funded or something? Atlas, let us see Atlas Funded. Does Atlas Funded have pay later? Oh, they do have one access. I think there is $1. Bro, that is good. I've seen them advertising, but I don't know how, how good they are. So this is Atlas Funded. Forex, yes. Instant pay later. This is the one we want. Pay later challenge. You pay after you pass. Okay, it is here. Instant standard. Pay later is here. How much do you pay? $5? Oh, this is, let us see the 50K. You pay 458, bro. 460. That's a lot of money, bro. But you start with $5. So expert advisors allowed, profit split 100, average profit, maximum overall, profit target, minimum trading days 4. Oh, 4 is tough, bro. Now that one, 4 is kind of tough, but you can get something. But bro, 460 is too much, I think. It's a lot of money. But also Atlas Funded has, you can see the website. They do have pay later challenge. What has ChatGPT given us? I think ChatGPT gave us Atlas, yes. Anyway, we shall look at those for now, but let us go ahead and complete the video now. So guys, to complete our video at the moment, do I think a person should go in for a pay later challenge? Yes, I think you should try it because it is $5. What are you going to use $5 to flip it to 500? No, you can risk the $5 and don't go in for 100,000, like 50,000 if you can't afford. Go in for a what? A 10K pay later challenge and trade it much better. I think it is okay as long as you can adhere to the rules and pass it. But even if you don't pass it, what is the downfall? You lose $5. So I would encourage you to go in for the pay later challenge. I'm going to try it and I'm going to do a series about it. Definitely. I will go in for maybe 50K or something like that. Pay later challenge. Is that the new kid on the block? Is that what is going to save you? It has downsides. Like we've seen the trailing stop loss when you get funded. We've seen the consistency rule. But if you can walk over those rules, you'll be celebrating. You'll celebrate and celebrate really well. So I just wanted to explore the pay later. I think Got Funded does not have it on their screen. But yes, we have to make it in this industry. We have to find a way of making it in the prop farm industry. And we have to make profits and trade better, change our lives and those people around us. So thank you very much for watching this series. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Reach out to me if you need like guidance, you need mentorship. Join the groups, Telegram, WhatsApp. Those groups are there. And I'll see you in the next one. For now, peace out. And let us end with drinking our juice, which we sell. Here you go, guys. There is mint. There is ginger. What a healthy juice, man. I like my life. I enjoy my life. Wow. Cheers. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.